So it's 12 a.m. and there's somebody that has diarrhea in the house. The person have been going to the toilet all day long and they've been vomiting. So that's an emergency. Let's say it happened in the night. And you need to give them something. You need to give them at least oral rehydration salts. You don't have it in your first aid box. So let me show you how to make oral rehydration salts at home, ORS. First, you need to get a clean bowl. Yes, you need water and you need two main ingredients. You need your salt and sugar. That's just it. For your water, you need 1 liter of water. If you have a bottled water, that is very perfect. All you need to do is use 1 liter of water and the other two ingredients. But if you don't have a bottled water, you can use pure water. You can boil pure water and then, get 1 liter of water. So let's get right into it. So in my bowl, I already have 1 liter of water. So for the measuring instrument or item, you need teaspoon. You need a teaspoon. If you don't have this, or if you have the real measuring teaspoon, that is very fine. I can't find my own, so this is actually half teaspoon. Teaspoon is actually 5 mils, but for half teaspoon, that's 2.5 ml. But to level of this, we're going to be using this to measure the sugar and salt. So you need 6 teaspoons of sugar. So let's start with that. It needs to be on this level. Yes. So this is leveled teaspoon of sugar. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going with the sugar. Then for the salt, you need half teaspoon of salt. I already measured it, so this is half teaspoon of salt. As soon as it dissolves, it is ready to be served. The patient should sip at least for 24 hours. I hope you find this helpful. Take charge of your health and I'll see you in my next video.